Look up at the night sky. It's a vast, mesmerizing canvas filled with countless stars, each twinkling like a distant beacon of light. See the stars slowly moving? This gentle dance of celestial bodies is a sight to behold, a reminder of the universe's grand scale. But wait, that's not because the stars themselves are moving. They are so far away that their movement is imperceptible to us. It's because Earth is spinning. Our planet rotates on its axis, creating the illusion that the stars are moving across the sky. Our planet is like a giant top, turning on its axis. This rotation is a fundamental aspect of our existence, influencing everything from the cycle of day and night to the flow of time itself. This spin is why we have day and night. Earth spins incredibly fast, completing one full rotation every 24 hours. Imagine the sheer speed at which we are moving. At the equator, you're moving over 1,000 miles per hour. That's faster than most of us can even comprehend. That's faster than a jet plane. Yet, we go about our daily lives without even noticing this incredible speed. But we don't feel it because everything around us is moving at the same speed. Our atmosphere, our cities, and even our oceans are all spinning along with us. Imagine flying in a plane. When the plane is cruising smoothly, you don't feel like you're moving, even though you're traveling at hundreds of miles per hour. This is similar to how we experience Earth's rotation. The smooth, constant motion makes it imperceptible to us. Earth's rotation is more than just making days and nights. It plays a crucial role in shaping our environment and our lives. It influences everything around us. It affects our weather, our oceans, and even the way our planet is shaped. The centrifugal force caused by Earth's spin makes the planet bulge slightly at the equator, giving it an oblate shape rather than a perfect sphere. What if this rotation suddenly stopped? Let's imagine that scenario. The consequences would be catastrophic, affecting everything from the stability of our atmosphere to the very structure of our planet. Imagine a day like no other. A day when the world as we know it comes to a sudden halt. The sun has risen, but it's not moving across the sky. It's stuck there, frozen in time, casting an eerie, unchanging light over the land. The Earth has stopped spinning. This isn't just a minor inconvenience, it's a monumental shift in the very fabric of our existence. The immediate effect would be chaos. People would be thrown into a state of panic, unsure of what to do or where to go. Everything that isn't firmly attached to the ground would keep moving at over 1,000 miles per hour. Cars, buildings, and even people would be hurled through the air. That includes the air, the oceans, even you and me. The atmosphere would continue its motion, creating winds of unimaginable strength. We would be thrown eastward with incredible force. Buildings would crumble under the strain, unable to withstand the sudden shift. Trees would snap like twigs, their roots unable to hold them in place against the relentless force. The oceans would unleash tsunamis, giant waves taller than skyscrapers, swallowing coastlines whole. Coastal cities would be submerged in an instant. It would be a global catastrophe unlike anything in human history. The world would be left in ruins, a stark reminder of the delicate balance that sustains life on Earth. After the initial chaos, the atmosphere would calm down, but not for long. The tranquility is deceptive, a mere interlude before the next wave of turbulence. The forces at play are relentless, driven by the Earth's rotation and the energy from the sun. Earth's rotation creates wind patterns. These patterns are responsible for the trade winds, westerlies, and polar easterlies that we experience. They shape our weather, influence ocean currents, and even affect the migration of animals. Without rotation, the winds would change drastically. The familiar patterns would be replaced by chaotic and unpredictable gusts. The balance that sustains life would be disrupted, leading to severe consequences for ecosystems and human societies alike. Imagine winds so powerful they could rip buildings apart. Hurricanes would become commonplace. These storms would be more intense and frequent, causing widespread destruction and making many areas uninhabitable. The skies would be filled with dust and debris blocking out the sun. This would lead to a significant drop in temperatures, affecting agriculture and food supply. The air quality would deteriorate, posing serious health risks. The temperature differences between the day side and the night side would be extreme. The side facing the sun would become unbearably hot, while the opposite side would plunge into freezing darkness. This stark contrast would create a hostile environment for life. The day side would be scorchingly hot, while the night side would freeze solid. This would lead to the formation of vast deserts and icy wastelands, making it difficult for any form of life to survive. Earth would become a planet of two extremes. The delicate balance that allows life to thrive would be shattered. leaving a world where survival is a constant struggle against the elements. The oceans would be just as dramatically affected. Without Earth's rotation, the centrifugal force that pushes water towards the equator would disappear. The oceans would redistribute themselves, flowing towards the poles. Imagine coastlines vanishing underwater as the oceans rise. Entire continents would be reshaped. New landmasses might appear. The Earth we know would be unrecognizable. Gravity's grip wouldn't escape the effects. Earth's rotation causes a slight bulge at the equator. Without rotation, this bulge would disappear. Gravity would be slightly stronger at the poles and weaker at the equator. This shift in gravity, combined with the massive movements of the oceans and the atmosphere, would trigger earthquakes and volcanic eruptions on a scale never seen before. The Earth would literally be reshaping itself. What would happen to us? The few survivors of the initial chaos would face a world completely different from the one they knew. Our infrastructure would be in ruins, communication networks would be down, food and water would be scarce. We would have to adapt to a new way of life. We would have to learn to live with extreme temperatures, unpredictable weather, and the constant threat of natural disasters. It would be the ultimate test of human resilience. Us to understand it, cherish it, and protect it.